everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about creating this beautiful bold makeup look right here, which is very simple and easy to create. So if you wanna know how I created this makeup look, then please continue watching. Starting off with the foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I'm just taking one pump of it and then applying using my fingers on my face. I really love this foundation because it doesn't feel heavy on your skin and also it gives you that full coverage matte finish look. So if you're looking for a good foundation which is also inexpensive, then this is the foundation. Now moving on, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Light. I'm just applying 2 dots under my eyes and then blending it out using my beauty blender. Now again I'm taking the same concealer and applying 2 dots of it below the under eye area just to brighten it up. Next I'm going with the Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer and just applying it all over my lid and blending it out using my beauty blender. Now after setting my whole face using the loose powder, I am going with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil in shade Medium and just filling in my brows. So next for eyeshadow, I am going with the NYX Nude Matte Shadow in the shade Betrayal. This is a brown matte eyeshadow. I am just applying the eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyelid. So next I'm going with this Revlon eyeshadow which is in shade Brown. It also has a bit of shimmer in it. So I'm just applying it on the outer corners of my eyelids. So always try to blend your eyeshadow in a circular motion like you see I'm doing here. So next I'm going with this black eyeliner gel and applying it very close to my lash line. So I'm just trying to draw a winged eyeliner here. That's why I'm just going very slow so that it looks clean and precise. I'm very slowly increasing the thickness of it. Next I'm going with the same NYX eyeshadow in shade Betrayal and just applying it on my lower lash line. Now as I don't have a nude shade eye pencil, so I'm just applying a very slight amount of concealer on my waterline to make it appear nude. Now to contour my face, I'm going with the Sugar Contour De-Force Mini Bronzer in shade Woody Wonder. Now for blush, I'm going with this Miss Claire blusher in shade 03 and just dabbing it on my cheeks. Now for my lashes, I'm going with this Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara and just applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Next I'm going with this Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in shade Molten Gold and just applying it on the high points of my face. I'm also applying some highlighter on the tip of my nose and also on the brow bone area to highlight it, and also in the inner corners of my eyes. Now for lipstick, I'm going with this Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade RM10. So this is the final look, you guys. Hope you liked the video. This is a very simple yet classy and beautiful bold makeup look that you can wear on any wedding function or any occasion you want. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification on every time I upload a video. Bye.